Hello everybody, let me update the machine I unboxed last Saturday. Is the food dehydrator. Here is some mango. I already done it. The machine right here is still okay. I'm still working on that. And let me the tray, I have to put some more fruits that I'm repairing right now. So the tray is in the kitchen, so I so far so good. And this is Cosori food dehydrator. And let me quick look again. This is a vent and the handle, the airflow right here, and the airflow right here too. And on this side the same thing, the airflow here. You feel kind of a little hot when the air flow out. And then this in the back, the fans. And this is my work done. This is mango, tree rib mango. It's not bad. This one I slide is thin slide, so it's a I did 12 hours 135 degrees, and last 2 hours I changed to 145. Three ribs mango, that's sweet, very good. When one trays, let me get more for you to see. This one, because I got too thick and it's still wet. Too thick, and there's 22 hours, but it's still wet. I have to redo this bar now. And more. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you don't do too thick like this one, it's too thick, so it takes a very long time to dry. In this only 12 hours, and 12 hours, and it's just dry. It's thin, very thin. It's sweet, very good. So far, there's 1 time, 2, 3, 4 times. No, it's one more over there. I'm still working on longer. This one I steamed them, so I'm still working on a longer. That's the back of the skin. Mango. This is very good. If you want dry mango, get the ribbon mango, a 3 ribbon. See, now I have 5 of them. I don't know. It's very good. And you do the ribbon mango, 3 ribbon mango. It's good. I'm sure as a kid love it. This one, 2 takes, because once I have mango, I slide only 2. One, then another one at the top. So this is 2 takes. The big mango too. And this one, 2 ribbon. So I put the temperature too high, so it's get dark. Yeah, that's good. When I'm done with the long ones, I will show you guys. So far so good. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. I'm still figuring out how to store these, because it's kind of still use the ribbon mango, 3 ribbon mango. It's still wet in here, even though you dry them, it's still wet. Maybe I'm storing the freezer, so when I'm ready to eat, I take it out and dry again. Probably, but my freezer is full now. It has no room for them. So I have to I forgot to tell you how I did. Just peel the mango, and like this mango, you just cut on top and just peel the skin, and you just slide them. Don't slide too thick if you want faster. It's not the kind of thing, much better. And just slide them, and then you place on the trays, and then place in there and set up the temperature. Then done. When it's done, it's automatically shut down. You don't worry about. I take it out, and next morning it's done. This one too thin. This one kind of thick, so you can it's still sharp there. Here. Yummy. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.